Well, got them little braces in there. Can't see. I started welding her all together. I ain't welded these yet. I'm gonna close that in just a little bit more. I ain't welded this yet. I didn't weld none of these because I might have to tweak this right here just a little bit. These is welded. You can't go, camera won't focus. But that's what she's gonna look like. I make me a gotta grind that off and redo it. I messed up on that one. That's what she looks like. Well, I ain't made these little things yet. I'll probably do that next. Well, just another little update. What do y'all think? Y'all think it turned out pretty good? Let me know. Put the little feet on it. I gotta make my strap to hold it down on the car. I just put tape on them for now. I'll probably put a little piece of rubber hose on them. I'll get me some wooden strips to go on it. I'd like to hear, from people what they think about it. It's my first one ever building one of them. I'm proud of it. Get me some wooden slats to put up there. Well, I'll see if I can't make me up some latches to hold it down and stuff. Like I said, I do appreciate y'all commenting, watching my videos. I really thank all of you. And I'll keep on. Well, I lost one of my vehicles today. My mom's got one of my Geo trackers. It's a 96 model, I think. If anybody's got one, just take a note. The one we had down there, I don't know if a wire shorted out on the back of the motor or what, but she caught on fire and it didn't burn totally down. But the time I got here, about an eighth of a mile down the road with the fire extinguisher, she was done blazing pretty decent under the hood. So I'm more likely one vehicle less than I did have now. So, but anybody's got one, you might want to just get you a flashlight and look around behind your motor. Make sure there ain't no wires touching where they're rubbing herself bare or something. We don't, this here's burnt so bad now you can't tell what actually happened. But that's just a note for anybody that's got one. It's a 16 valve motor. So, but that's over with. So now I got my rack all mounted. I was waiting on some wooden strips. I got it latched. I kind of did my latch a little different than everybody else's. This is kind of like the setup on my Baja light bar, so I pretty well did the same thing. It ended up right over my door, but it's alright. It ain't. There's some clearance there, but the Baja, the light bar on it, it's over about right here. So it is what it is. But I think the little rack turned out pretty nice. I'm proud of it. y'all walk. I'll walk around where you can see it. It's all welded up solid now. Some of the welds don't look too terrible. Some of them I have to. I ain't never welded 3 welds in one spot and make them all look the same. There's one there that needs to be ground. But I think that's it for tonight. So, thank everybody for watching, commenting, subscribing. I appreciate it.